What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a HTML element from the document of a web page, and I'm going to use this web page which I'll be using throughout this JavaScript Dom series. Now I'm going to remove the HTML element from this page. I want to remove the Dom selector. Now I'm going to head over to my Sublime text editor where I've selected the JS file. I'm going to create a variable called remover. Now I'm going to use the JavaScript Dom selector to get the class of what I want to remove, which I'm going to use document.querySelector. Now I'm going to get a class name of that element, and I'm going to head over to the web.html file. As you can see, this is the element I want to remove from this HTML, which is h1 tag, which have a class of heading. Now I just have to get this heading with this DOM, and the class use the period sign heading. Now since I've gotten the heading, since I want to remove the heading from the JavaScript document as the DOM of that web page, I actually have to access the body of that HTML page. I'm going to do variable body equals document.body. Now I have access to the body because the h1 tag is a child of this body. The body is the parent of the h1 tag, so you have to remove the child from the parent. Now I'm going to go down below. I'm going to say remover dot, no, not remover, body dot remove. You can see I already have the suggestions. I'm going to remove body dot remove child. Yeah, body dot remove child. Name of the child is going to be the remover. Now when I save this, I saved it. Going to head over to the browser and reload the page. You can see the DOM selector is going to have the paragraph. Welcome to my web page. So that's very simple way you can actually use to remove HTML elements from the document of a web page by using the remove child. You want to get access to the body or the parent of that element, even if it's not the body. It can be the div tag, the span tag, or the paragraph tag. You want to get the parent of that element, then remove the child away from the parent. You want to use body plus remove child. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to remove the attributes of an element. So keep on waiting, keep on subscribing to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So I'm signing out.